trouble loading comments on Facebook? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you can try doing is tap and hold the Facebook app and click on remove app. And then click on delete app. Once it has been deleted, reinstall the application. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If not, move into the settings of a device and head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. Scroll down and move into Facebook application. Tap on Offload app and then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once done, now move into the App Store and search for Facebook. Head over to this app. Make sure that the application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, it should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Facebook, and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can fix comments not loading on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.